Most people get this wrong. They think Cash Now Pay Later is just another buy now pay later service, but the surprising truth is that its value depends heavily on how you use it and whether you avoid late fees. Here's how it works. Cash Now Pay Later allows you to split purchases into smaller payments over time, often interest-free if paid on schedule. In 2026, the platform has expanded its partnerships with online retailers, making it convenient for everyday shopping. However, fees for missed payments or late schedules can quickly add up, and the service does require a soft credit check to qualify. Tips to use it effectively. 1. Only use it for purchases you can comfortably pay off on time to avoid interest or late fees. 2. Track due dates carefully. Set reminders to ensure on-time payments. 3. Compare with other BNPL services to see if Cash Now Pay Later offers better terms for your purchases. Who should consider the service? People who want short-term flexibility for online purchases and are confident in managing scheduled payments. It's not ideal for overspending or for purchases that stretch your budget. In conclusion, Cash Now Pay Later can still be worth it in 2026, but only if you use it responsibly. For savvy users, it offers convenience and budgeting flexibility, but misuse can quickly make it expensive. Subscribe for more reviews on payment tools and strategies to manage your money wisely.